Hi, welcome to another how-to video with compact track loaders and skid steer loaders. What we're going to talk about today is how to use the radio on our machines. What we've got with us today is the optional advanced touchscreen monitor. We're going to show how to use the radio. So we're going to come over here and we're going to press this icon that has the 3 bars. We'll press the icon and it's going to bring up a new screen, and in it you'll see it's going to have the radio. So we'll press this icon. Then it's going to bring us to the radio homepage. But on the column on the left, we're going to have the options for FM, AM, Bluetooth, and any aux cables I may have plugged into the machine. But for this exercise, I want to listen to FM radio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to select one of my 6 presets that I've got. So I'm going to select 94.7. Now, as it starts to play, I notice that the sound is too low. I want it to be a little bit louder. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come over here to the right-hand column, and I can press the increase icon or the decrease icon. It's going to rise and fall in increments of 5. So I'm going to raise it up a little bit. But now let's say I'm tired of this station. I want to move on to a next one. Well, I found a new one that I like. So I can use the forward arrow, come to a new station, and I want to save it. I can press over one of these 6 presets. You'll hear the machine beep at me, and that knows that I have saved that preset. I can also control the monitor from my joysticks. Now from this point, with the optional advanced joysticks, what I can do is on my left hand joystick, if I want to hear the music, I want to make it a little bit louder, I can press the volume increase icon. It will rise in those same increments of 5. If I want to make it softer, I can do the volume decrease icon. It will do a decrease in the same increments of 5. Let's say I don't want to hear any music, somebody's coming to talk to me, I can press the mute button and it will mute the radio. Now on my right hand joystick, you'll notice that I've got 4 arrows and an OK button in the center. I can actually control my display by using these 4 arrow icons. So if I'm moving the machine and I don't want to take my hands off the joysticks, I can simply press the down button and it will change my selection. Or if I want to come to a new song, I can move it over. I can use these arrows to move to whatever direction I want to. Let's say I want to press play, I'll then press the OK icon. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, please contact your local CAT dealer.